Hey everybody, it's Marie Fromage. Happy Valentine's Day. I've set the scene for seduction with a wonderful French cheese called Brillat-Savarin. It's a triple cream dream and it's like whipped butter and ice cream. It's like cheese ice cream actually. It goes really well with these beautiful plump raspberries, or pair it with a stroop waffle. That's really decadent, a caramel stroop waffle, yum. Try it with a cocoa shortbread on top. Top it with the Brillat-Savarin and raspberry. How about one of these Pirouline cookies? Just scoop it up and feed it to your lover. And straight up, dark chocolate with some Brillat-Savarin. Cheese and chocolate are a match made in heaven, so give that a shot. This cheese pairs so well with sparkling wine, and I've got a really nice cremate here. It's just as good as champagne and a lot cheaper, so keep an eye out for that. I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day, and thanks for watching.